Many customers come to us and they want a new clock motor and they want to use their existing hands. That simply will not work, or probably would not work. And the reason is every manufacturer of quartz motors builds the motor according to their specifications. So they're different depending on the manufacturer. And there's not a cross-reference from one manufacturer to the next. When you're looking for a clock motor, the first thing you have to do is measure your minute hand. You don't measure the hour hand, you simply measure the minute hand. By measuring the minute hand, you can determine what clock motor you need. So if I measure from the mounting hole, that's how you measure it, to the tip, if it's under 5 inches, as this hand is, then I can use a mini quartz motor. And we provide a free set of hands for you, a big selection also. So during checkout, you'll be prompted to select your free set of hands. Please select them at that time. Now, if you have hands that are longer than 5 inches from the mounting hole to the tip, such as this one, you're going to need a high torque motor. The high torque motor can drive hands up to 18 inches. Now, these hands are not free, but they're modestly priced and we have a large selection. So you cannot, or you probably cannot, use your existing hands. So if you're going to buy a new clock motor, be it a mini quartz or a high torque, please just select a nice set of new hands.